Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Product Unboxing More, and today I will show you how to use the media player of this TCL C715 Android TV. So I have here a USB flash drive or thumb drive. Yeah, I know you can see it here. So I will plug this in the USB slot at the back of the TV. Now you can see there's a USB detected, so it's okay. Then just select the first one. So there's three options to share and see. Maybe just select the USB. So look for videos. So I can select the videos here. Maybe this one. Feeding the cat. Then if I try another video, then that is the back, then select another one. By the way, if you are a cat lover, so this is my other channel, Cats etc. Go ahead and check that one out. Then another one, another cat. Okay, so this one works. So it's really easy to use the media player. Just select the file, then select OK on the remote, then it will play. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you learned something on this video, and again, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thank you for watching.